Hello, I'm Graham Moore. I'm the user research lead on the Natural Resources Wales hazardous waste discovery. Each time we've had a show and tell, last one was at the end of January, one of us has come on here and given some highlights in a summary. So in the last show and tell, we heard some user data and some interesting user quotes around people who'd been using the NRW website. We had a look at user journey mapping, one of the scenarios that we've been developing sort of throughout the course of the project. The user research was presented by Natural Resources Wales colleagues who've been embedded in the UR process from the very beginning. Sam took us through all the developments we've made in our recruitment of users as we've sought to get the right sample. Alex gave us a summary of the internal user interviews we've made around such things as the customer hub, registration, exemptions, and so on. And Lucinda Pearce gave us an idea of the analysis that's coming out of user research from one of the user research sessions that she took part in. We also had a little look at an empathy mapping workshop that was sort of some of the beginning of our analysis into the next stage of the project. Obviously, all this is in much greater detail in the show and tell recording itself. So check it out on here on the CDPS channel. Yeah, fire away any questions you have to any members of the team. Thanks very much.